The farting truck.
Oh no, I'm farting smoke everywhere. This is so embarrassing and smelly. What can I do? Tinkerbot, help!
Welcome. This is Tinkerbot Repair Shop.
I'm farting smoke and make every cough. I can't do my job, probably.
Oh dear. Let's check first. Oh dear. Your exhaust is full of dust and rust. No wonder you're having trouble.
It's so embarrassing. Can you fix it?
Of course. First, let's clean up the dust.
Your vacuum makes me so itchy.
Just a little more and done. Let's change this. The light is broken. I'll fix it. Done. Time for wash and shine. First, let's spray some water. For some bubbles. Rinse for the water. Time to dry now. Let's add some shine. Car wash all done. You like so cool.
Yay!
Try starting your engine now.
Yeah! Wow, no more farting. I can breathe it easy. And so could everyone else.
That's right. You're ready to deliver the package without any trouble.
Thank you so much, Tinkerbot. I'm off to deliver now. No smoking.
You're welcome. Drive her safely and keep up the good work.
Clean air. Happy delivery.